Hello, my name is Mustafa Al-Bidiri. I'm going to explain quiz 6, question number 2. As we asked here in the question, use the function form question 1 to roll dice 4 times, then use only one for loop to repeat 100 times and count the number of times the sum of the 4 dice rolls is greater than 20. And the number of times the sum of the 4 dice roll is less than equal or less than or equal to 15. Print out each count using label print. And then we come here to run our code, and we do b equals 12 and greater than equal to 0, then less or equal is 0, and then 4. This is for our 4 loops in a range of 100. Roll for b and sam acom equal to sam b if sam acom greater than 20 and greater than plus or equal 1, and alpha sam acom greater than 15, less or equal plus equal 1, and then be clear about it. And then we print it right here, and we come to run it, and then we get the actual codes right here. And make sure you add the 104 rolls and in 4 rolls once. This is important. Why? Because it would vary compared to the actual outcome, hence affecting the counter. Thank you. Have a great day.